我觉得人生中一定要来看的一次烟火，真的超好看的。
We're breaking boundaries, breaking chains, pushing limits, we're out of range. We're rebels, we're explorers, we're taking flight. In this sonic landscape we ignite. We blend the styles, we mix it all. From hip-hop rhythms to rock and roll. We dance to the beats, we sing with heart. Temporary pop, a work of art. In this vibrant world of melodies, interact hip-hop adversity. We're the voices of a generation, we shine so bright tonight.